The first thing you're going to need is yarn. I used 2 pieces here because I like a really thick chain. Now we're going to make a slip knot. The way you do that is you cross over your yarn and pull a loop through. Now what you need to do is squeeze your pointer finger through with your thumb like a little pincher. We're going to use that to grab the yarn. Don't let that tail get in the way. Now you hold it, pinch it, pull through, thumb back in to make a little pincher. Pinch it, pull through. Pinch it, pull through, and that is it. Make sure you don't pull your loop through too much. You want it to stay close and fairly tight, but not too tight. We don't want your little fingers turning blue. All right, you keep going for a while, and I'll show you how to end it soon. Notice how I am adjusting my grip every time I make 2 chain loops. This is important to keep your work even and under control. Alrighty, it is time to end my chain. So all you need to do is take that bottom tail, pinch it all the way through your loop, and tighten gently. This is your completed finger crocheted chain. Really great work. Now, this could be a bracelet, it could be a necklace, a teeny weeny scarf. You choose, as long or as short as you want. Hope you've enjoyed.